Honestly, it does not taste like Jollibee at all.
It doesn't taste like that.
I don't know, Erwan. This is good, but how's it taste? How's the taste? Hey guys, today we are going to be making Erwan Heussaff's Jollibee chicken. He's a very famous YouTuber. I'm sure he's a better chef than me. I'm just your average chef and I want to try his recipe. So let's check it out. Wow, looks good. Doesn't really look like Jollibee chicken.
I'm gonna call it.
Hold up, what is that? What
not.
is
Not.
that? Erwan, who did this to you? No one told you about that?
Has a chicken joy, but definitely very close.
My gosh, why did no one tell you this? So, Jollibee is one of my favorite restaurants in the Philippines, and Mariane's too, right?
Yes.
Their chicken is so flavorful. I'm sure that don't they marinate it, right?
I think it's marinated chicken. With
Yeah,
fish.
it just tastes so good. So let's see how Erwan makes it.
Jollibee fried chicken is such a huge cult and people love it so much. I want to do it justice. Like, I want to do a really good fried chicken. So I think the best way to do this is to go as simple as possible. We don't have the time to marinate.
Huh? What do you mean you don't have the time? That's the channel. Anyway, okay, we are just gonna copy his recipe. Let's see what happens. First step. 1 cup cornstarch. 1 cup flour. Then he's adding salt. He says be generous. All right. And then also garlic powder. Yep. Generous with this. Then he's also adding 5 spice. Interesting. This smells really good. He says it's really popular in Asia, in the Philippines. Mariane, did you use this?
No.
No? Okay, let's see if it's good. He says use it and he's using it a lot.
Can I smell it?
Yeah. I don't know about this.
Doesn't smell Jollibee.
Super important with the coating. Pull that in a little bit so I make some pockets and some holes in there.
Oh, that's really cool. I like that. He will open it up like this and add the seasoning inside. That's cool. I like that. Then, time to coat. Here we have Erwan's Jollibee chicken. It's been coated, has all the spices. And I just want to compare that to this one. I haven't put any spices. The only thing I'm going to add is some salt. And we'll see which one's better. The plain one with no seasoning except salt, or Erwan's Jollibee tribute. Next, Erwan says get oil at 175 Celsius, which is about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And start frying. Well, I think it smells good.
Does it smell like Jollibee?
No, it smells good. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes. Erwan doesn't really say a time. He kind of just looks at, see if it's golden brown. Okay, so it's been about 10 minutes. I'm trying to copy Erwan's chicken colors. Doesn't look like Jollibee, not to me, but I'm just trying to copy Erwan's style. Well, there it is. I'm cooking it like him. Don't you think it looks the same? So just as a comparison, I am just adding a fried chicken that all it's doing is salt. So let's see. Let's compare. Oh! Then he says, for a little extra seasoning to make it spicy, we're gonna add chili powder. And also, which is kind of surprising, sugar. Supposed to put sugar directly on the chicken? That's weird. So to make the gravy, Erwan uses a bouillon cube and boil 3 cups of water. Then also to make the gravy, you add the boiling water. to that powder that we used.
That's why you need to put cold water.
Yeah, I don't know why. He says put the boiling water. Then he says put a 1/3 cup of milk. Okay, so we're done making the food. Here we got Erwan's Jollibee special. We got the gravy, of course rice, and just to compare, the regular old chicken leg with salt. How do you think it looks?
I feel it looks more chowking chicken.
Yeah, it doesn't really look like Jollibee.
Doesn't look
obviously.
like Jollibee because Jollibee looks like there's a lot of flour.
Yeah.
Yeah. This one looks like chowking chicken for me. And let's see to the smell. What's the smell? Doesn't smell Jollibee. Jollibee have a strong scent. Like it's really when you smell like, oh my god, it's Jollibee. This I don't smell anything but chicken, and I can smell the spices, yeah, but not strong as Jollibee scent.
All right. And we also have the spicy, sweet spicy. Erwan sprinkles on top. I'm not so sure about this, Erwan. All right, honestly, it looks good. I'll give him credit for that, but how's the taste? What do you think?
I think it's good.
Yeah, you think it's good?
I like that it's sweet because of the spices. The feeling while you're eating it actually kind of texture of Jollibee.
Oh, really? All right.
The taste is not the same as Jollibee.
Let me try now. All right, let's try it. Wow, maybe I just cooked it good. No. Wow, look how juicy that is. Oh, I think it's good. It's actually really good. Wow, it does not taste like Jollibee at all, but honestly, the recipe is good. And the spicy, the spicy and sugar, I was doubting at first, but it's pretty good. Oh, and the rice. Obviously, you have to have rice with Jollibee. Using your hands. Now let's try the gravy.
It's okay. Doesn't taste like Jollibee though.
Doesn't taste like Jollibee. Okay, now we will try my super special salt plain chicken.
Wow. It's good.
Oh, it's still good? This is just salt?
No, it's like it's more. I feel like I can taste more chicken. I think the salt make it more powerful, the chicken flavor of it.
This is pretty good, I'm not gonna lie. Let me try Erwan's again. I don't know, Erwan.
I told you. It's just I feel like.
Oh no, I'm sorry, man. I think the regular salt one without anything is better.
I feel like it's the salt came inside this chicken, and this doesn't have any taste on the chicken, but it's in the skin.
Right.
Yeah, but it's juicy and crispy.
So the verdict, let's get down to the decision. Does this taste like Jollibee?
No.
No, sorry. What do you like better? Just the salt chicken or this? Honest opinion.
Well, I like more the flavor of the salt. Like the inside, I can taste more chicken. For me, it's both crispy and it's both juicy. Actually, yeah.
Most importantly, it looks good, but how's the taste?
Well, the taste is also good. It's just it doesn't taste the same as Jollibee, but it tastes really good too.
Okay, would you copy this recipe again?
I think so.
You would?
Because it's good.
I think so too. I think I would try this again. So
Yeah.
I think his recipe was good, and I definitely try it again. So great job, Erwan. I think it was good. So sorry, Erwan, for giving you a hard time in the beginning. I really like your recipe. I can see why he has a lot of views. All right, so that's it for this video. Thank you to the 1,000 subscribers. That shows all your support. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. Comment what food you would like me to see next, or what chef you would like me to try. Please see the link in the description for all of our social media, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you so much, guys. Bye. How's the taste?
You're old.
I see this pig just sitting there, and I'm like,
You're
no,
old.
oh no, oh no.
Dito sa Pilipinas,
You're old.
kapag
You're
nakita
old.
ng may bisita, hindi nagustuhan
You're
yung
old.
inihanda namin. Iba siguro may
Surprise!
I think I have a good choice.
Bruh.